Gadget Girl here, leaving Main Route 4 for an overnight, heading up to Caribou Valley Road. Today's destination? Not sure. Nice little babbling stream here this morning I just crossed. And now the next thing up is going to be a little bridge, a little log bridge. Looks a little rough for the wear, so hopefully it holds. Came across a little building here, and apparently it's a caretaker's building. There's a sign there that says, it's faded, but it says do not enter, so I'm going to obviously heed that sign. I thought that was kind of interesting because I really haven't seen a separate caretaker's building on the trail other than some caretaker tents in the whites where the campsites were. More small stream crossings here and some stone steps leading up. It's been a pretty good trail so far. That caretaker does a good job. There is a shelter over there, Piazza Shelter. And there's a nice tent platform here on my way up to Piazza Rock. Getting into some bigger climbs now. I've come to Ethel Pond. Going past a small pond here that doesn't seem to have a name, but it's beautiful. I have come to Eddy Pond and I'm going to have lunch here. Pretty place. Once again, a couple of rowboats here. I'm a mile from the summit of Saddleback Mountain and catching this view. Absolutely gorgeous. One more view from this side. Still got climbing to do. HE this way. Hiking up above tree line here. Going up that way. Getting close to the top here. That's the actual peak right over there. You're gonna have to go down a little bit and then back up. Rosie and I have reached the peak of Saddleback Mountain. The 360 from the top of Saddleback. Obviously there used to be some sort of tower here on Saddleback. No longer here. Yeah, I just came down that. It's hard to make time on trails like that. Alright, I reached the horn, elevation 4,041 feet. More 360-degree views. I do believe Saddleback Junior is harder than Saddleback. Been climbing a while, still got a little to climb, and it's steep. All right, I made it to the top of Saddleback Junior, elevation 3,640 feet. Now, to get to camp before dark. Beautiful sunset over there. Got a little over a mile to go. I ended up doing the last 0.3 into camp in the dark, having some chicken and rice for dinner right now, and then gonna go to sleep and hike again tomorrow.